So coming in from the back, this is the brand new piece. There is 1, 2, 3 13s. So everyone was seized and it wasn't dropping down. It's like it was wrung off from the inside. So when you were trying here with the little 19, it was just turning and nothing was happening. So if your spare wheel mechanism is a goose like this one, it wouldn't come down now. It was hanging down about a couple of mil, so the wheel was wobbling around. This was just spinning around, not letting the wheel down. You have a couple of options. You could potentially cut this part to try let the spare wheel come down. So you can see the new one here, but wouldn't recommend that. It'd probably cut through, maybe you might cut through the wheel or damage the wheel. What I done was I just got a long extension with a wobble and a deep 13 socket, and you can actually just get up through the wheel like this and go in. So you can actually ratchet it off, and then there's the 3 of them as I've shown earlier. You can catch the 3 of them in there with this, and then the only thing is this will all fall down then, so maybe prop this up. I have it on the ramp here, but if you're on the ground it wouldn't fall too far, so maybe put something underneath it to hold it up when you're loosening off the last bolt. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward.